So Brodsworth Hall and Gardens.
For South Yorkshire.
Looks like it's open all year as well. 10 till 4.
It's just literally close for Christmas.
Yeah. Well, 10 till 5 in the summer though. So come and try the folk trail?
Folktale creature.
Yeah.
Trail.
Folktale. It's a mouthful, isn't it? Folktale treat. I can't say it. I don't know whether this would have been where the original driveway was. It is nice.
Gates, didn't we, originally?
Yeah, it's the same line. You're right, it's on the same line as the road we came in. And we now got blue sky.
Yes.
It's burning off. So which one is the cedar tree where they do the tours from?
He said it's a big tree.
They're all big trees.
I don't know. The map showed it was very big. So.
Okay, the very big tree. Yeah. And the house opens at 11:30.
Yes.
We've found, we think, the cedar tree. The very big tree.
Beautiful, isn't it? Really
very well kept, yeah.
Really well kept. Coffee shops around here.
Coffee shop it is then. And what are we going to get?
Well, you're going to get coffee.
A piping hot caffeinated beverage. So what did you buy?
Apple shortcake, and it is delicious.
But it's not much like shortcake, to be honest.
But it's cake with apple in it. And it's short because it hasn't risen. And let's go with that, shall we? Okay. It's delicious.
I've got my piping hot caffeinated beverage anyway. So. What on earth is brown bread ice cream?
Taste the past with this sweet, delicious brown bread ice cream, exclusive to English heritage. Based on an 18th century recipe, it's a Moorish soft scoop with notes of nougat and a hint of biscotti. We might have to try that.
Maybe.
Oh, that's the challenge. Love the different trees. I mean, look at that pine tree or whatever it is.
They've definitely got some big trees. Oh, there's the adventure playground. Maybe for later.
Love the Acer. Acer really brings the colour through, the red one.
This area of the garden is beautiful, very colourful. And we've got an archway, or a tunnel, to walk through. The Target House, previously known as the Archery House. The Target House was used as a place to rest and take refreshments. I thought it was going to be a summer house.
Although originally developed for use in hunting and warfare, archery is one of the world's oldest competitive sports. So if you come this way...
I'm coming this way.
So you have the archery house there, and then you have this, the eye-catching garden feature designed to draw the eye along the long expanse of grass of the Target range.
Do like the old millstones.
Yeah, you can actually see where it would... Look, the shape.
Oh, like a keyway thing.
Yeah.
And the wobbly path. I would like to know what that is. It's a very striking colour.
I'm going to take a picture and send it to your mum.
Have you seen? We've got a bridge and a little... Don't think you can quite call it a tunnel to go through, but you have to go through it.
Yeah.
It's the rules.
Not on our bikes today.
What a great garden feature.
Yeah.
That's nice.
So I just said.
Top of the hill, a little struck.
Another little
a graveyard. At least that's what it looks like. changes drastically quickly, doesn't it?
Stunning.
I wish I could do that.
So do I.
Wow, that's pretty, isn't it? That's bigger than I thought it was going to be as well.
Oh my gosh, that's stunning. Got 30 written in the flowers. Oh, the dogs.
I thought they were otters for a minute, but they're greyhounds or
yes.
something like that, aren't
Or
they?
lurchers.
So we're going to go into the house. I don't know whether we can film in there. We shall see. Being English Heritage, I doubt they'll let us film inside.
Yes, and there's some on the walls just at the side.
Very dark in here. It's still to be renovated. I'd like to see this. Shows the state of decay that it was in when they received it in 1988. Got an old TV just sitting here. It's just in the servants' quarters. Looks like they've emptied a lot of the rooms and put the furniture in here.
It's a bit later
The boiler,
time,
yeah.
It was something when the grand darkness came to. So when you go out today, you can go and have a look in the Victoria, the butler's pantry.
Yeah.
If you look down the passage, you can see your attic down there.